Hello, and thank you for your interest in learning more about the Credentialing Assistance program. I will be introducing you to how the program works and its requirements, as well as walking you through how to use the Army Cool website to find a credential. It's important to connect with your Education Services Office or Education Services Specialist during this process. They can help guide you and answer any questions you may have along the way. If you're not sure how to contact and who to contact, let me show you where to find that information. First, go to goarmyed.com and scroll to the bottom of the page. Then click Education Centers, then National Guard. Each state will have their information labeled differently. Look out for keywords such as Federal Tuition Assistance Managers or Education Services Specialists for POCs to contact. Credentialing Assistance is open to all Army components, including National Guard and Reserve. The program includes comprehensive benefits for over 1,500 credentials. These credentials can be found by visiting the Army Cool website. Unlike federal tuition assistance, this program can pay for fees, books, training, materials, exams, and recertification. Funding for the CA program is $4,000 per fiscal year. You can use both FTA and CA within the same fiscal year, but it cannot exceed the $4,000 cap. An exciting change happened as of March 15, 2020, which allows soldiers to complete as many credentials as desired within the fiscal year, keeping in mind the $4,000 cap. The change also removes the requirement to align the credentials based upon MOS, academic, or civilian occupation. This is one more way the Army is making it easier for you to use this program. Any soldier is eligible to use the CA program unless they are flagged or their ETS or retirement date is before the end date of the course or exam. Officers do incur a military service obligation for training, books, materials, and fees. 2 years for active and 4 years for M-Day. Officers do not incur an ADSO for taking an exam or recertification. Officers within their last year of service are limited to $2,000 for the CA program. Passing your training or exam is required in order to avoid recoupment. Proof of passing the exam or training must be uploaded to your GoArmyEd Help Desk case within 10 business days of the end date on your application. We are currently seeing applications take 45 to 60 days for processing. The length of an application depends on the training provider you select. A list of the current approved training providers is available through your education office. The nice thing about this program is that you can work on credentials simultaneously. Let's look at some popular credentials soldiers have been choosing since this program started. These are the most popular credentials soldiers are obtaining using the CA program. For a list of all the credentials available, please visit the website on the screen or take your smartphone out and use the QR code to take you directly to the website. Let me introduce you to the Army Cool website and show you how to search for a credential. Welcome to the newly redesigned Army Cool website. It has lots of tools to help you learn about what credentials are out there. You can select the navigator to select between enlisted, warrant officer, and officer, and then select between 6 different areas. If you know the credential that you're seeking, simply click Full Credential Search, where you'll find over 1,600 listed credentials. Simply click on the credential and you'll find more information like eligibility, the content of the exam, and the requirements for recertification. You can also find related occupations to help you see where this credential might fit into the Army and civilian sectors. If you ever need more in-depth assistance understanding credentialing, just click the menu, then Credentialing Basics to learn more. Have fun exploring all 1,600 plus options out there. Finally, if you are interested in beginning the CA process, please reach out to your state's education office or contact your ESS. This helpful checklist will guide you through the process of completing your CA request. One thing you can do right now is to visit goarmyed.com and activate or reactivate your account. This will get you in touch with your ESS who can share more information about the program. Army leadership is excited about making this program accessible to soldiers, so check back often with your education office for any updates about the Credentialing Assistance program.